Recording. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in our last class, we saw the place value of alphabets and their opposite of letters. In the first chapter of alphabet and series, we started with the alphabet and we saw its place value of all the letters and what are their opposite of letters. So I hope you all have learned the place values. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section, okay? So in this class, we will start the part 2 of the same chapter. And here we will start with what? Properties of letters. And in this, we will start with the properties of alphabetical series, okay? So what is the first property? The first property is, if we are taking any letter from A to Z, any letter, their left place value plus the right place value is equal to 27. So for any letter, suppose we are taking D, okay, letter D. What is the left place value of letter D? 4 plus, what is its right place value? We don't know. From right hand, what is its place value? Let's check what is the right hand. From right hand, what is, from left hand it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And from right hand, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So what is the place value of from right hand? It is 23. Okay. So what is it equal to? 4 plus 23? Is it equal to 27? Right? So if we have to find this properties help, what is the use of this property? If we are going to count it? No, we don't need to count it. If we have to find any place value from right hand, suppose the question will be asked, what is the place value of L from right hand? Okay. For letter L, what is its place value from right hand? So we know what is its place value from left hand. It is 12, right? But we don't know what is its place value from right hand. From right hand, we don't know. So, but we know that if we will add both the place value from left hand and from right hand, we will get what? 27. So we can find the right hand place value. This can be equal to 27 less left hand 12, and it is equal to what? 15. So the place value of letter L from right end, it is 15. So you need to check it. Go and check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We get it 15 here. So I think the first properties is clear to you. Now we will start the second properties. What the second properties tells? Place value of any letter and place value of opposite of that letter. That will be also equal to what? 27. Suppose we are taking the place value of, okay, suppose we are taking letter M. What is its opposite? N. So the place value of M is what? 13. And place value of N is what? 14. And it is equal to 27. Right? So if suppose take G. Okay. Suppose take G. What is its opposite? Its opposite is T. So the place value of G, C. For G, you can learn like this. You write G like this. And that, what is hidden in that? 7. This one is 7. So the place value of G is 7. Plus place value of T is 20. And it is equal to what? 27. Right? Got it? I hope you understand it. So the third properties of the alphabetical series is number of letters between two alphabet. if we need to find what is the number of letters between D and P, so it will be equal to what? Differences of their place value less 1. So what is the place value of D? 4. And what is the place value of P? 16. So if we need to find how many letters are there between D and P, how we will get to know that? We will just do the difference. What is the difference of their place value? 16 less 4 less 1. It is equal to 12. 12 less 1. And it is equal to what? 11. So how many letters are between D and P? It is 11. Right? Count it here. Here it is D and here it is P. How many letters are between them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Got it? There are 11 letters between them. I hope this is clear to you. So in question there will be asked how many letters are between two letters, and suppose their letters will be given. Suppose you need to find between E and suppose Q. So what is the difference of their place value? Place value of E is 5 and place value of Q is 17. So what is the difference between them? 17 less 5 less 1. It is equal to 17 less 5, it is equal to 12 less 1 and it is equal to 11. So there are 11 letters between E and Q. Coincidentally, both we get 11, but it is not always true that you will get 11. Suppose you need to find between, tell me any letter. Suppose you need to find between K and U. Okay. What is the place value of K? It is 11. Sorry. It is 11. And what is the place value of U? It is 21. What is their difference? 10 less 1 and it is equal to 9. So there are 9 letters between K and U. Okay. I hope this properties is clear to you. And the last property is, if you need to find, suppose anyone will ask, what is the letter if we place the alphabetical series in from left side? Okay, which letter will be at the place value at the place 42? This property is also called circulation property. Okay, circulation property. That means what? We are counting from A to Z. A to Z we count from 1 to till 26. And from again after Z, we will again start A, B, C, D. So this will go on continuing. This will go on circulating. A to Z, then again A to Z, then again A to Z. So if we are placing 1 to 26 we place, and again we started placing here. So after 26, it is 27, 28, 29 in this order. So if we need to find any letter on any place value, suppose it is asked to find the letter on place value 42. So how we will do that? We are going to get any place value. Suppose the place value for here, it is given 1. Okay. Plus 26, if we will add, what we are going to get? 27. So what is the letter at the place 27? It will be A, right? So at 42, what we are, how we will find which letter is at the 42nd? So we don't know the place value, which letter? Just we will add 26 that, and we are going to get the place value of that letter, right? So place value of that letter is 42. So to find out this, we will do 42 less 26 and we will get what? We will get 16. And what will be the place value of which letter is placed on 16 place? That is P. So if we will put A to Z and then again A to Z, again A to Z, and we need to find what is there on 42, we will get what? P. Suppose we get here A. So after 1 to 26, when we counted 27, what we are going to get? A. That in the same way at 42nd place, what we are going to get? P. Right? So this is the property. These are the 4 properties. I hope you all understand the 4 properties, all the 4 properties. If you have any problem in any doubt in these properties, let me know in the comment section. So now we are going to start our question types. How the question comes in our exams. So the first question comes is in this way. How many such pair of letters are there? In the word sharply, any word will be given here. Suppose here sharply is given, which have as many letters between the 2 alphabets. Letters between 2 alphabets, we have read the property, as they have in English alphabet. Okay, so the word is here what? Sharply. This question, this type of question comes in your exams. It can come in your technical exams if you are going to sit for any placement, campus placement, or logical reasoning, banking, SSC. In all type of exam, this type of questions always come. This is very important question. Okay, so in the how we will know how many letters, how many pair of letters are there which have as many words between these two, and it is same as if we place from A to Z in the English alphabet. So how we have to do this? See, where is my cursor? Yeah, it is here. So S, we will start from S. We will start counting from S. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. We are reaching Y here, and here also it is given Y. So from S to, if we'll go there, we will reach what? Y. So this is one pair, S and Y. Let me take some darker color. Okay. From S to Y, we are getting one pair, that is SY. Now from H, I, J, K, L. We are getting same. Which one more pair we are getting? That is H and L. Count from here A, B, C, D, E. No, we are not getting any pair. R, S, T, U. We are not getting. P, Q, R. We are not getting. L, M. No. Now we will count from backward also. These two are from forward side. Okay. Now we will count from backward. This is from forward. Y. Z, A, B, C, D, E. No any pair. L, M, N, O, P, Q. P, Q, R, S, T. We are not getting anything. A, B, C, H, I. So we are only getting only 2 pairs that are forward pairs. That is S and Y and H and L. So what is the question? Let's see. From S and Y, there are how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are here. Count it in English alphabet. S, T, U, V, W, X. Also 5. That is it, only asking pair of letters where there are as many letters here between them as they are in the English alphabet. From H and L, I, J, K, 3 letters are here also, and in English alphabet also there are 3 letters. So we are getting only 2 pairs. What is the total pair? Total pair are 2 forward pairs, 2 and backward pairs, 0. So in this question, it is not as to count it forward or backward. So we will count from both sides, forward side also, backward side also. So we are getting only 2 pairs, that is from forward side. Suppose we are taking another word, English. Take the word English. Let's count. From E, F, G. So we are getting one pair here. G, H. Again from E only. E, F, G, H, I. We are getting another pair. We are getting another pair. That is I from G, F, G, H, I, J, K. So we are getting two pair here. From N, we will count both sides. Here there is no any letter, so we are counting only forward side. N, O, no pair. N, O, P, Q, R, S, nothing. G, H, I, nothing. G, H, I. So one pair here we are getting. J, K, nothing. From L, M, N, we are getting M, N. So here we are getting M, N. L, M, N, O, nothing. We are getting from here I, J, K, L, M. I, J, K, S, T, U, P, W, X, nothing. S, T, nothing. From H, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, nothing. So we are getting four pairs. That is E, G, that is E, I, then G, I, then L, and N. So how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are getting four pairs. In this, 3 are from forward side and 1 is from backward side. Okay, understood? I hope you understood. For your homework, you will practice and let me know the answer in the comment section. These are your homeworks. You need to find the same, the question is the same. You need to find the total number of pairs. Please write the question here. Write this question. In the place of the word sharply, you just write it down. What? Machinery. One word is and another word is education. Okay, do this 2 words and let me know the answer in the comment section. If you have any doubt anywhere, any properties, just let me know in the comment section. I will again explain you that. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to put like button. And if you like the video, please share it to your friends. And do subscribe my channel so that I can get motivated to bring more such videos for you. Okay, thank you.